Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file, and he actually thought it was a tan gray, but that's from monitor to monitor. It's actually a light gray, and he bought it. He's a subscriber to some clip art service, and uh, he didn't think it was going to engrave very good, and it doesn't. Uh, this is in the part of the picture is fuzzy. I'm sorry about that, but there's just really, it's just kind of a blend of colors. So I ran it the first time like this, and then I ran it my second time like this. And look how cool, and of course that's fuzzy up there too, but look at the detail. And how I did it, first I thought about color mapping, but really we just need to take the white or the gray away. Let's do a yellow box trick here. And you can see that it's not transparent like we normally want, because you can't. This is a gray and this is a white. And because of this particular drawing, you cannot just take away some white or any color, because if you do, watch the drawing behind the leg. There's some, so we can't make that transparent because it's going to engrave that part of the branch. So if you engrave this photo or this clip art, it's going to look like this, because the white does not engrave. As you can see, it leaves the wood, but it covers up those hidden lines. There's a lot of, it's thousands of hidden lines underneath this gray. So how did I get rid of all the gray? And I've kind of pre-done it because there's so much gray. There's so many objects of gray. There are 7,243 objects right there. 7,000. So it's going to take Corel a little while to find them. But what we do is go to our friend under Edit, Find and Replace, Find Object, begin a new search. And before I start, I'm going to move this out of the way a little bit. I want to find a fill. I'm going to find a uniform fill. I'm going to go next. I'm going to specify the color. I'm going to get my eyedropper tool, and I'm going to click on that and see it's that gray. It's a red 240, gray or green 237, and blue 235. Thankfully, it's the same color throughout, whoever drew it. So I can thank them for doing that. So we found our color. I'm going to go to next, next, finish, and then I'm going to find all. But it's going to take forever because there's probably 3,000 or 4,000 bits of gray there. So once you have that, all you have to do is go over here and click white, and it'll turn those, just like right here. We're going to take the breast of the bird, and if it was one of the items, and I'm going to turn it white, because I'm left clicking the fill to make it white. Now there is actually a way you can do that in the Find and Replace. You can actually replace an object with a color, but as I said, this took forever to run as it is. I'd rather do it and then delete that color. Now you could color map this, but it would take and just barely engrave that, but it's going to take twice as long, and you're going to get it not affect any better than this when you see the natural wood through the you're seeing the wood. And just for instance, those lower pine cones, just don't have much white to them, so they're not going to show up very much, where these have a lot more white, as you can see in the drawing. The ones on the right have a lot more detail. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.